Melissa at Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is the Easter Tier Tray collaboration. The host is at Penny's Place. The co-hosts are at Grace Life DIY and Marlene's How To's. Here's our tier tray. We have our little bunnies. And I scattered eggs everywhere. We have a crown with eggs. We have our little garland with a chick. 2 of them. And a little tassel. That was Dollar Tree. I don't know where I got these. I've had them for a while. And then I have this. And I got this in my swap box. Amanda from Amanda Anything Goes made those, and I thought I'd add that to my tier tray. And I have the sign, He is Risen, in black and plaid, and I liked it because it had the pink rose, and the letters is in pink. And that's pretty much my tier tray. I hope everybody has a wonderful Easter. And remember that the bunnies are fun, but it's all about Jesus. Yes, we love the silly rabbit, but we love Jesus more. So remember, Easter is for Jesus, not the silly rabbit, even though they are cute.